Key roles and responsibilities is to succeed. In this lesson, we will break down some of the key roles involved in the project management and what each person is responsible for. Project manager. The project manager is the person who is responsible for overseeing the entire project. They are the central figure who coordinates activities, manages resources, and ensure the project is delivered on time, within scope, and within budget. They are also responsible for managing risks and communicating with stakeholders. Project sponsor. Sponsor is a senior executive or key stakeholder who provides support and resources for the project. They act as a champion for the project within the organization and are responsible for approving major decisions and changes. Team members. These are the individuals who carry out the actual work of the project. They come from various departments or disciplines and bring specialized skills needed to achieve the project objectives. Stakeholders. Stakeholders are any individuals or groups who have an interest in the project. This includes customers, users, team members, and executives. Stakeholder management is a key responsibility of the project manager because satisfying stakeholder needs is critical for project success. Project steering committee. For larger projects, there may be a steering committee composed of senior managers who provide guidance and make high-level decisions. Each of these roles is essential for ensuring that the project is planned, executed, and completed successfully. A clear understanding of roles and responsibilities helps to avoid confusion, overlap, and gaps in the project team's efforts. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified of our latest videos.